Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide contact suggestion on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open Play Store. And in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on Open and tap on Proceed. Now just give this app this permission. Now once you do that, just scroll down and tap on Good Lock. Tap on Visit FineLock homepage, and from here, just tap on Good Lock and tap on Download APK. Select Download again and tap on Open. Now just select Install and tap on Open. Tap on Agree and Continue. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open FineLock. Now from here, just tap on Home Up. Tap on Visit FineLock homepage, and from here just select Home Up. Then tap on Download APK. Tap on Download Anyway, then tap on Open. Select Install, then tap on Done. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open FineLock. Then go to Home Up, and from here tap on Next and tap on Try It. Now just enable Home Up. Now from here, just tap on Share Manager. Now just enable Share Manager, and from here just disable Show Direct Share. Now once you disable this option, you will hide the contact suggestion. Just like that. And this is how you can hide contact suggestion on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.